Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will see how to fix element not interactable exception. See, we are getting element not interactable exception. See, by the name only, if you see, you will get to know that element is not able to communicate with the element. So what we have to do, see, there are few scenarios when Selenium is not able to trace the element, not able to find the element, not able to act on the element. So what are these cases? Those cases are when whatever locator we are taking, locator is wrong. Maybe while see, suppose we are taking locator from here. So what it will do is we copy paste, we take locator from here, anything, right? Suppose, and we same thing we copy paste in our code. So might be we miss, suppose last letter also, that will be a wrong locator or something. First one is if we take wrong locator, and second one is if we have taken the locator which is more than one. Suppose I will show you. Let me take the locator for this Selenium tab. First let's mouse over on this. Some pop-up has come up. Let me mouse over on this. It's taking time to load. It's taking long time to load. Let me show you the locator I have already taken. See, this is the XPath I have taken from the browser. It is loaded. We'll see. Here you go. See, if you check, it is working, and we don't see whether it's a unique or not. See, here it is showing 2 out of 3. Sometimes we in hurry burry, if we do something and by mistake if we missed out whether it's a unique or not, we just click it and check whether this is working or not. See, it worked and we took it. We did not see whether it's a unique or not. So what happens is when we take locator which is more than once on the page, what Selenium does is it 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 takes the most, it starts searching from the top left corner, and whatever comes first it takes that one. But here in this case, if you see, it is showing 3 out of 3. So third one highlighted. See, first one is not highlighted anywhere because this is in hidden form. Now if you see, second one is highlighted. So first one is in hidden form, only second and third one is visible on web page. So what happens in this case, what Selenium will do, it will not run because it will take the first one. See, first one is not highlighted anywhere, it is on a hidden path. So it will take the first one, and as first one is not in the visible form, test case will get failed and it will show the error like this: element not interactable. So if, see, in this page, if all three are visible, what it will do, whatever comes from the top left corner first, it will click on that. Maybe it is wrong, whatever it is, but at least it will perform some action on that element. Here it is not visible, so it is getting failed and it is showing this error. I will show you. I will run this test case and I will show you what error we are getting here. It is initializing the browser, and now it will open the browser. See, it completed and we got this error, element not interactable exception. Why? Because this whatever locator we have taken, that is not unique. There are three presence of this element on the web page and one is in a hidden form. That's why we are getting this error. So what we have to do is, first of all, we have to take the correct Selenium locator. So to take that correct one, what we can do is, see, here we have taken as a text one, that is not unique, and other one we can take it this href also. But for href also, if we go, whatever the second we were getting here, I guess href will be same. Let's check it out. Let me check it. See, let mouse over on this. See, here also it is redirecting to the programmer word.co.selenium, and there also it was redirecting to the same href. So we can't take this href. So what we should do is, we should take xpath with the help of parent. So how we can take it? This is the actual one. This is not working, so we have to go to the parent one. So how we can take it? We can take the id of this first. First we'll traverse this parent and then we'll traverse down. So let's take it. This tag is li and then id. So we'll take li to the rate, sorry, id equals to sorry, it did not got copy pasted. We have to copy paste this one. We are taking id and we'll paste it there. Now see, it is showing 1 out of 1, so that is the unique parent. So now we'll traverse down to the below link. See, now it is 1 out of 1, so this time it should work. We'll see. Let me change this xpath. Now it will open the browser and click on that Selenium tab. Chrome driver was started successfully. It is opening the browser. It is loading. Let's see. Will it click it? Not. Let me check it. What is happening? Is there any error on the? No, there is no error. Let's see. Oh, we have given dot click also. Everything looks fine to me. Let's close this browser and try it out again. Maybe some network issue or something. We'll check it again. No. See, now it got failed. Why it got failed? We'll check it out. No such window exception. No such window. Target window already closed. Oh, my bad. Maybe I closed it too early. I couldn't wait it. Sorry. We'll run it again and we'll see. See, while working with automation, we really need lots of patience. Let's see this time whether it works or not. It is opening the browser. It went to programmer.co. It is taking too long to load. It is still loading. Maybe looks like I'm having some network issue, but that's good. If it is not able to click due to page is not loading properly, I will show you the third scenario also. As I in beginning I told you guys that see it is working this time. So it clicked. That's why it was some pop-up came and it was moving to that Selenium page, Selenium detail page. So as I told you in beginning that element not interactable exception comes only when there are three scenarios. One, we are taking a wrong XPath. We are taking a wrong XPath. Suppose we took it the correct one itself. We copy pasted by mistake. We left it, this is the last element or something. And we copy pasted like this and we put it in a code. Then also we'll get the same error. See, because this is not the correct XPath. So then also we'll get the same error because Selenium will not be able to reach the correct element. And the third one is if if the locator is not unique. If we are many locators and some of them are hidden, then also it will show that element not interactable. So always we have to take the correct and exact locator and that and unique locator. And the third one is sometimes what happens is now like you have seen that application was slow but still it was able to click. Right now I'm not able to recollect any application or something where page is not loading properly. So what happens is if page is not loaded properly, then before that it wait for some time and then before only it started searching for this particular element or whatever element we give in our script. So then also it shows that element not interactable exception because Selenium is trying to find out some element which is not yet loaded. So then also it will show this error. Right now I don't have any examples to show you, and what I feel these days after Selenium 4 this kind of error we are not getting very frequently. But you may, but in there may be some scenario where we get this kind of error. So what we have to, you have to do it, you have to go and check the application whether before only it got filled or not. If you feel application there is some network latency or something, pages application is taking too long or it is very heavy application, there might be in some time in a real time project and all you get this kind of error, then what you have to do is for checking purpose you can give Thread.sleep and some suppose 3 seconds for application to load it and check. If after giving some delay to the script, is it working? Then yes, your uh, guess was correct. It was failing because of page was not loading. So try with some delays and all, definitely it will work. But now see, this thread.sleep and all is not recommended to use in the real time and all, in projects and all. It's not advisable. It's not a good practice to use all this, because purposefully we are making it delay for 3 seconds every time whenever it runs. And even if sometimes page loaded properly also, it will wait for 3 seconds. So what we should do, we should not use this thread.sleep. Whatever instead should be used, I have already made one video for that, for this commands and all, how we should use wait in the Selenium WebDriver. I will give the link in the description box. You can go to that link. If you are facing this kind of issue because of application slowness and network and all, if you are getting this element not traceable error, and otherwise you really have to check your locator if it is unique or correct. If it is unique, correct, and there is no slowness issue, it should work. Otherwise, you have to check your locator, and you have to try with this thread.sleep. This thread.sleep is only for checking whether the application is really having this slowness issue or not. Once you are confirmed that it's only delay issue, you should never use sleep.thread.sleep. Immediately comment it out, and I will share the video link in the description box. You can go through with the that video, and you can implement it, those methods and functions. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thanks a lot.